Hi, my name is David Brown. I'm a lawyer and a partner at Brett Murphy Law Firm. And oftentimes when a client comes to me and meets me for the first time, after they've been involved in an automobile accident, one of the questions that they have is, what do I do if the person who hit me didn't have insurance? And this is what I tell them. The first thing I explain is, let's stop and make sure that there really isn't any insurance coverage available to help you. What I mean by that is this. Oftentimes, the driver of the vehicle who hit you may not have had insurance, but they may have been borrowing a vehicle or using a vehicle that does. And that vehicle's insurance is available to help you with the wage loss and the medical bills that are piling up after an accident. This is not information that's often included in police reports or other documents you might get after an accident. And that's why it's important to have a lawyer turn over every rock to make sure there are no policies to help you when you've been involved in a major collision. Next, when we do find some coverage, we want to find out how much coverage is available. The state minimum in Washington is $25,000. Now, if the driver or the vehicle only has minimal policy limits available to compensate you, those limits are going to be quickly outstripped when you're involved in a collision that involves extensive medical treatment or long-term wage loss. So when we do get in that situation, if you do get in a situation where there isn't sufficient insurance coverage to pay for all the injuries you've received, to make up for what happened, the next thing we look at is underinsured motorist coverage. Every insurance policy in Washington includes underinsured motorist coverage. It's that important. And it's there to help you if the driver who hit you either doesn't have any insurance at all or didn't have sufficient insurance to cover all your injuries. Even if you don't carry underinsured motorist coverage on your own policy, or you don't have an automobile policy, you don't have a vehicle or you're a child, there may be an underinsured motorist policy that's available to help you. For instance, if you're the passenger in a vehicle, the driver or the car's insurance policy's underinsured motorist endorsement is available to help you. If you live at home, your parents' policy or a spouse's policy might be available to help you. This is why it's important to talk to a lawyer if you've been involved in a major collision. I'm available to talk anytime, and I'd be happy to meet with you. The initial consultation is free. Give me a call.
Injured? We can help. Brett Murphy, Washington's Injury Lawyers. Offices in Seattle, Tacoma, Spokane, Bellingham, Mount Vernon, and Vancouver.